A pleasant day to each and everyone. I am Ariston John Joshua at ang pamagat ng napili kong tula ay ang Kundiman. So, ayan. Si Rizal wrote Kundiman in September 12, 1891. A kundiman is actually a traditional Filipino love song na ginagamit ng mga kalalakihan upang haranahin ang kanilang mga iniibig. In his kundiman, Rizal expressed his intense love and his optimism that it would be freed from injustice. He hoped that one day the Philippines would be liberated, its culture restored, and the Tagalog language spoken again around the world. So, bakit nga ba ito yung napili kong visual background sa napili kong tula na ang pamagat ay Kundiman, no? So, itong dark part na to is nagsisimbolize siya as present situation ng mga tao that time. Like dark, malungkot, death, and yung pagluluksa ng mga tao dahil sa pang-aapi at pang-aabuso ng mga mananakop that time. So, ito, yun yung sa mga dark part. And yung ito, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron akong ginawang flower. Yan. And yung flower na yan is nagsisimbolize siya sa brighter future. Pag-asa ni Rizal na muling babangon and muling babalik yung sigla ng Pilipinas. And yan lamang po. The second one is Hymn to Talisay. This poem speaks of hope for tomorrow despite of the late education by means of education. So why do I choose this kind of background? Dahil dito sa puno na to inspired kung saan siya madalas magturo. So the last one is they ask me for verses. This poem conveyed a person's innermost feelings. Jose Rizal expresses his thoughts through his writing and other works. I choose this kind of background just because of itong bulaklak na to, ang paboritong bulaklak ni Rizal na kung tatawagin sa pangalang Forget Me Not, na kung saan nakita niya ito sa isang garden sa Germany.